that the buoyancy of rock and water allows that to build as high as it did.
Illegal U-turn, it looks like.
From the bottom of the ocean.
No. And if it does, we're going to pay for it.
Stop sign run.
Tax podcast series exploring the now $1.6 trillion student loan debt crisis.
Run stop sign again. Well, you didn't even stop.
If contradiction is possible, then how did you rule it out? Are you being
Red light run.
Like the White House. Fucking tipping the
Red light run.
be hanging out with them.
Another way to support the show is through our merch store. We've got merch. It's coming to be that hoodie season.
Nope.
Say the mind that is responsible for existing.
Why do cars always go out from there? That's not the exit. The exit's back where the on-ramp is.
You can click that join button to become a member. It's really, really cool. You get cool little emoticons and stuff. It's
Red light run.
really easy
I mean,
to do, so
no turn on red.
And both of them are saying that their side won. And well, you check the conversation, and in the end, it wasn't that big, that awesome. The conversation wasn't that awesome. So
What are you doing?
You're going to see people who feel.
I'm confident we'll find a way out of this. I'm just not so sure what it is.
Red light run.
By launching a new line made from more sustainable materials.
Really?
Meanwhile, Forever 21 dodged copyright lawsuits, and Zara invested in RFID technology to help.
But I'm streeing,
But the next one is really just the lack of communication, the lack of really understanding, right? And so I think
dude,
you can
there's
get that
cars
work
oncoming.
from the very, very beginning. I need to do this, and really, maybe you do,
Did not
but
stop.
maybe you don't. This game, it is a game.
That was no turn on red.
Hey, CJ, put me camera.
Mobile App Store today.
Exit dive.
You know, you can make this guy nervous.
Red light run.
Right?
Because
Pass it.
I think that's a Prius.
Let's see, we got
Actually, it's not.
I was like, oh, fuck. So I was up there cleaning out the Geddes.
Red light run.
Well, mountain lions out there, one or two. In Los Angeles, you're thinking like, all right, well, I'm not up in the hills. I'm not going to see these fucking thing. But then, like, I saw this
Exit
YouTube
dive by
video
the
of somebody like
BMW
the
roar.
thing.
We're gonna make our kids communicate with real people.
Really?
They can Zoom their friends in the living room.
Nope. I guess you didn't want to exit there.
All right, hey, we'll be right back on the Dr. John Delony Show. One of the most calm meditation today for free at John Delony, Ohio. And like, I've really tried my whole life, and this is where I have to work.
You saved zero time with that move because there's a red light. It erased all your progress.
I don't know where that. In spite of all the hurt, all the pain, folks, don't forget to look for beauty. There's more good than there is wrong.
Did not stop.
I promise you.
Oh, Massel left.
Glamorous life we lived, but my brother and I never went without. Yeah, playing sports, always.
Red light
food on
run.
the table. He's also a bald, pasty cunt like you. Big fan, and thanks for all the laughs, and go fuck yourself. Dude, I think that, I gotta be honest with you, I think that is an amazing life to do that.
Wow, let the guy in. Holy
work
shit.
like that.
Once only. In an instant, I dragged him to the floor and pulled the heavy
Did not
bed
stop.
over him. I then...
I'll stop there. There's more to this question, but let's take it apart.
What do we have against apex predators?
He ran right through the stop sign. Hello?
Will you do me a huge favor? Two things.
Yeah.
Number one, be honest with yourself.
What the?
Okay? Don't hide from you.
Well, you can't do that. It's mutually. I know his vision. I know what we're working towards as a family, and we agree.
Wow.
You know, the Bible.
Red light run.
That starts with T and that rhymes with P. That stands for pool.
That stands for pool. The whole theme of that musical is that.
Red light runner.
Good job, Chuck. I'm impressed.
Did not stop.
Trying to interview them, been approached by some major.
Red light run.
There is something that you can do. Reach out to local theist groups, churches, local religious communities, and say, these people want to speak to you and they want to hear your arguments. And if your arguments...
Jesus Christ, you're Urban Meyer. My God.
Red light run way up there.
What, I've got another family, really. It's not about blood. It's not about my immediate family, those who invested so much in me and loved me so dear. There are lots of stories in there that many weren't aware of, and so that was the broadcast from a while back, and I've had some requests to do a second round. Your mom's here. Your mom and your brothers, they're here. They're outside. They're desperate to see you. Whatever, you know. Just stay over there. You're all...
But I'm streeing, dum dum streeing. Don't stay over there.
Because I wanted a #1 hit. I wanted what Metallica.
Did I characterize that accurately there?
Yeah, perfect. So yeah, our outer core is actually molten and our inner core is solid. So it's that molten.
You didn't stop.
I know where you're going with this, so before you even say it, I'm gonna tell you. And he had the coolest mom too.
Exit dive. Ran right through the stop.
Recreational feed. Right, and wait, and there's a spooky house on the hill. Let's go hide in it. Yeah.
There's cars coming. Whoa!
You quit playing softball. And so there's the physical movement part, but there's also the buddies part, and they're just talking trash and hollering at friends and laughing and getting...
Went right through the stop.
More to even attempt to understand that any more than I did as a 3.5-year-old.
Yeah. No turn on red.
Alright, we are back. Jack. What's up, Sarah and Bangor, Maine? You're not Jack. I was just trying to rhyme because I want to be a rapper, but I'm not. I just made this whole thing a mess. How are you?
Okay. Goodness really is delicious. Get a taste at sunmade.com/imagine that.
Wait, was that a...
glowing light? He said, no. I said, so did you, like, out-of-body experience?
Didn't stop.
And he was laying it all into it.
Remain friends to this day. But these types of decisions just naturally fell on my... I looked at Nick and saw a man who was willing to throw everything away for a bottle of Heineken.
But I'm streeing, rolling along on the... But I'm streeing, I don't know what... I can't rhyme.
Everything, of course. But what I saw felt false and manipulative. It was large as can the awfulness of passing a stone, and then you go home and get on with life. For me, it was highly problematic.
Left turn regret.
With the force.
Is it?
No, trucks in the left lane. No, you definitely cannot be there, and it's for real this time. No, trucks in the left lane. No, it's FedEx. He moved back over. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.